these prizes. Okay. So a lot of people asked about our Next 100 program. So I just want to take a few minutes to tell you about the Next 100 program. There are, of course, people here who have applied for the Next 100. We also have people here who have won the Next 100 award. And I will ask them to come up on stage. May I request all our Next 100 winners to please come up. Please come up. Come on, Grace Kumar. Hey, what are you looking here and there? Come. He doesn't want to be first, sir. So these are all our winners from Bangalore who are here. And you're from Kolkata. But you're in Bangalore?
No, I came to Bangalore because I have my colleagues attending.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. Thank you. So now you know how motivating it is for people to come. No, please wait here. So, so the Next 100 program starts every year in June. And it's a process, and it's an award for senior IT managers, people with experience, at least 7 to 8 years of work experience post-qualification, and who are working in the end-user enterprise organizations largely. And we invite these people to apply for the award by filling up their complete profile and their achievements. After they fill up the form, which is quite lengthy, I assure you, takes a long while to fill it up, they have to take a series of 2 tests. So there is a psychological profiling test and there is a leadership profiling test. Both these tests are conducted for us by a company called Central Test, which is headquartered out of Paris. And so these tests are conducted by them. And all the people who take the tests, who apply, get a free report. This is a very detailed report which analyzes your personality, and you can use that to help develop your own strengths and work on your weaknesses. So you get that report free. Usually, if you take this test, it costs quite a lot of money. So we have an arrangement with them, and we do this testing every year. So we encourage all of you to apply for the awards, if only to get this report. Subsequent to the test, the jury, we have a very large jury. This program is supported by all of India's CIOs, and they take an active part in selecting the winners. So this year we have a jury of 51 CIOs and CFOs who are there as a part of the jury, and these people decide what are the criteria for selecting the winners. And all so they tell us how to shortlist the applicants. They have a set of criteria by which we shortlist the applicants. And after shortlisting, every applicant is interviewed independently by 2 people, 2 separate people. They interview these people. We also get recommendations from the bosses of the people who have applied, as well as referees. And all this information is put together, and the jury then decides who are the 100 people for that year, who they think are likely to become CIOs in the future. Not necessarily tomorrow, but definitely in the future. We currently have 300 award winners in the past, over the past 3 years. I'm very happy to inform all of you that many of these winners have done extremely well. After getting the award, they've received a lot of recognition within their own organizations. Many of them have got bigger responsibilities. A lot of them have got promotions, and many of them have even become CIOs already. So with that, I would like our Next 100 winners who are here today with us to just briefly talk about what was their experience in applying for the program, and subsequently how life has dealt with them. So can we get some microphones, please? If you just introduce yourself, which organization you work for, and how has being a Next 100 award winner changed your life? And what would you like to advise everybody else?
I'm Priyanko from Mahindra Finance. Well, applying for Next 100 award was a wonderful experience. As Mr. Giridhar mentioned about the process which analyzes your abilities. There's a psychometric test which was very, enlightening. I believe that was the best part that I
Thank you so much.
Found through this application process. It helped me develop a lot of my shortcomings, and winning the award was another, there were tough questions from the jury, which also gave me a couple of insights while interacting with them. There were cross questions, and that helped me a lot in my career. And it has definitely helped me in the present organization. And I wish it helps you all who have applied for the next.
Thank you, Priyanko.
Good evening all. Myself Grace Kumar. I currently work for IBM.
and I got this award in 2011. And thanks so much for IT Next. See what happened. This basically like bringing your transformation within yourself. So only you can do only this. But getting this award, I find myself that I can stretch more than that, and it really, give a different kind of a dimension and thinking. Actually, it also, gives some kind of a real pride and a prestige while you talk to the clients and while you talk to your colleagues. So thanks so much, and I'm really honorable and best wishes for you guys also. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Ganesh Kumar.
Good evening, all. This is Shafiq Ahmed from Ingersoll Rand. Have been a pleasure, getting the IT Next 100 winner. Also honor, what I've got. It was a great journey. We started with, just like a fun. I just got a mail, it says, are you the next CIO? So I just said, okay, I may not, but maybe try. Just that's how I started. But the journey was great. After filling that psychometric, as he mentioned, there was a psychometric and followed by technical questions, and the jury was interesting. That's where the real, reality or the real sense has come when CIOs called you and checking your skills, and also telling you, okay, this is what you are, this is where you can go. So it was a very, a generous kind of a discussion. Rather, it was more of an interview kind of, discussion. So that has really played a role. As far as the recognition, what I've got, it was about 2012 where I won this, and definitely company has recognized me a lot. They put me on the corporate head, in terms of the role, as well as the last meeting which I had with my CIO in US. This is how he has addressed. We were about 70 leaders, and he said there is one next CIO among us. So that was great. I never felt that. But the recognition got into that kind of layer and, definitely expose you to the max. So I hope, whoever has, I think definitely a lot of CIOs here definitely, got the potential. Just energize yourself and, get to that limit. I think everybody can achieve that limit, if you have the right attitude and, the right spirit that you can have. Thanks once again, for the team of IT Next.
Thanks, Shafiq. It's really great.
Good evening. My name is Dharmaraj Ramakrishnan. I am from ING Vysya Bank. So the journey in the next CIO 100 was quite fabulous, and I really enjoyed. Especially all of my colleagues here already spoke about the test. Beyond that, what I really would like to tell you all is this is also give you an opportunity to get an understanding about yourself when the jury interaction happens. All the juries of selection committee all are well experienced and seen the world, they moved up the curve of the technology world in India. So you will get at least an interactive opportunity to move forward, and that also give an introspection opportunity within yourself. So I wish you all the very best, and I encourage you all to apply for the same, and good luck to IT Next. Thanks a lot.
Hi, I'm Suresh from Patterson Securities. Whether it is education or award winning, finally we are looking for the recognition. So before this award, I have won this award in 2011. Before this award, I was being considered as a technical supportive. I was just looked as a supporting team. But once I've got a recognition throughout, national level recognition, automatically I was recognized properly in my organization, and I was I have been looked as a strategic planner. I'm into the strategic committee right now. Thanks.
Wonderful. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here, and we wish you all the best going forward.
Thank you.
So with these encouraging words, I would now like to invite Geeta to the stage, to announce the people who have, as we had announced yesterday, that depending on how people performed in the tests, we had lots of tests, right? So each of our sponsors has sponsored one certificate for the person who has done best in that technology stack. And so Geeta would be announcing those awards, as well as, of course, the entire Pocket CIO program you have taken. So people who have successfully got the passing marks in all modules and who have got overall 50% pass marks will get the Pocket CIO certificate today. We have participation certificates for everybody who attended all the sessions of this program over the last 2 days. Thank you.
Thank you, Giri. So you're all looking forward? So first award I would like to announce, Enterprise Voice and Data Solutions Award by Vodafone. So who would have thought, you think would have won the award? Okay, no guesses. Okay, I would request Mr. Mahalingam Subayan, National Corporate Sales Head, Karnataka Vodafone, to come on to the stage to hand over the award. And the award winner for the Enterprise Voice and Data Solutions Award by Vodafone goes to Srikanth Matipalli. The second set of awards, the Network Innovation Award by Juniper Networks. I would request Mr. Kunal Jha, Regional Sales Manager, Juniper Networks, to come on to stage. And the award winner is Piyush John. We come to the third award, the Data Center Solutions Award by Emerson and NextGen. I would request Mr. Giridhar, Group Editor 9.9, to hand over the award. The award winner is Shiva Subramaniam, M. Thank you. The fourth set of awards, Virtualization and Cloud Computing Award by VMware. I would request Giri to hand over the award. And the award winner is Hari Verma. I would again request Giri to hand over the IT Solutions Award by Wipro. The award winner is Vasudev Pai. The next set of awards, IT Infrastructure Management Award by HCL. And I would request Mr. Sujit Shetty to come over the stage. Debashish Majumdar. The next set, Enterprise Security Award by Kaspersky. I request Mr. Pranav Bayani, Tech Support Head, Kaspersky, to come over. And the award winner is Mr. Subramaniam Ganapati. Subramaniam Ganapati is not around? Okay. The last award in the Broadband Network Technologies Award by TE Connectivity. I would request Shilpi Tauri, Head Marketing, TE Connectivity, to come over. The award winner is Satish Karan. So I would like to now hand over the Certificate of Achievement today. So I would request Ms. Giridhar, Group Editor 9.9, to hand over Yadu Urs. Yadu Urs. Yadu Urs. Mr. Muhammad Ali Khan. Ms. Sushma Kondalkana. Shrikant JS. Mr. Ramesh Desai. Mr. Raghunath Tyagarajan. Satish Karanth. Devashish Majumdar. Mantosh Sinha. Mr. Hari Verma. Mr. Amit Khambat. Mr. Amit Khambat. Santosh Kumar. Santosh Kumar. Ram Gollapudi. Pradeep, how do you say? Shankaran. Shankarshan. How do you spell? How do you pronounce? Piyush John. Vivek Radhakrishnan. Suvarna Sunil Gurigunta. Thank you very much. So congratulations and thank you all once again. Giri, you would like to conclude? We are there. So we have participation certificates outside. You could collect it from at the desk. And I would request all the next 100 aspirants for this year to meet Shreyans outside.
All those people who have applied for
Who have applied for next 100, 2013, please meet Shreyans outside. And thank you all once again.
So thank you everybody for being here, and we look forward to seeing you all back for the next Pocket CIO. So thank you so much, and have a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend.